So we have already displayed the name of state on the map. Now let us display the temperature. That also we have shown in the earlier in previously. Now we want to show both the name of state and their temperature in the same frame, in the same map at the same time. So how to do it? So let us import that layer again. So you can save all the shape files after doing your editing into a folder, and when you save the shape file, they will be saved like this. Name of the file .shp. Now let us open the shape file, and then we go to table editor, and then we again open the levels. So here we are going to show both the state name and the temperature at the same instant on the map. So for that you will use the expression tab under the label editor, and first you will double click on this on the name of the field, state name, then use this operator. This is known as joining operator. Click on that and then click on new line. This can be done also by clicking on the enter button of your keyboard. Now click on the temperature field. So here it is, the temperature. Now I want also to show the unit of the temperature. So what I will do is I will again use the joining operator and click the double inverted commas. Any letter that you want to show in the map, you have to use this double inverted comma, and anything in between this double inverted comma will be shown in your map. So click on it and just write C for degree centigrade in between that inverted commas. Now what we'll do is we'll click on apply and click on OK, and you see along with the name of the state, the temperature is also shown with the unit also. Now I can also do one thing. You can again go to the label editor, and then what we can do is click on state name, again plus, click on new line, double click on temperature field, give a plus, give double inverted comma, and then give a space, and then see. Then click on apply. You see the space will be included in the map also. So sometimes it happens that suddenly the layer editor do not work. Even after doing lot of editing, if you click on apply, the layer editor will not update whatever it is displayed on the map. So at that time, you just remove the layer and then again import the layer back to the software. After that, use the layer editor and everything will work as per your design. Now here you can also save the layer style. Whatever you have used the style, you can save it. Okay, just right click on it and then click save layer style. Okay, so this is the way how you can create the point shape file, how you can display the name of the state, that will display something as a label, and how to display two different fields or multiple fields with the help of expression tab. Now next thing is how to digitize the polygonal geographical features, that is the watershed, state boundary, wetland boundary, etc. So let us first we remove this layer, yes, just remove it. Now you will create a shapefile, but this time it will be the Polygon shapefile, and you use it as not a polyline but a polygon. Now then you click on OK, and they will again ask you to save that file in a folder. You select that same folder, click on OK. Now the next step is we have to create the polygon shapefiles. Now you click on create layer. Here the create layer is. Sorry. Now you click on the layer geometry. That means you have to add polygons. So for that, same as for point shapefile, you will use the add geometry. And after then, you just digitize the boundary of the state, because that is what we want to do. Now you can see something, these numbers and the distance of this polygon shapefile is being shown whenever we're drawing the polygon shapefile to digitize this state boundary. Either you can double click it, or you can just right click and finish operation. Both of them you can do. Click on it. Now let us create another one. So how to remove this 1, 2, 3 and all this thing, or the square milli-unit, that is the area of this polygon that they are showing along with the digitization. Okay, click on OK. Then let us see this. Now for this you need a lot of precision for an exact digitization of the state. I am showing this as a demo, but when you are doing some real life projects, you have to be very precious, and you have to be very right and precious. So let us digitize this one also. So in this way you can digitize all the state borders. Similarly, you can digitize the watershed borders or wetland borders. You can see lots of spaces not being digitized. Now let's just turn on the digitation and click on finish operation. And this is the way to digitize the state boundary. So I think both two of the starting point and the finishing point must converge into each other. Then only it will do it. So here an error in operation has happened. So I have to delete the entire digitization, and then again I have to start. So this is a bit problematic. These are all open source software, so we have to bear with them. Right, so the 7 state boundaries are digitized. Now you can see that here there are some places where digitization was not done. For those, what you can do is you can